my dreams come true.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, so if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, you are my little doll babies, hard doll, baba. How are you? So happy that you are here. So today I wanted to do a video on a comparison between 2 wigs that are in that sort of blonde 613 realm, and one that I think needs rooting and one that I think doesn't, and why, and do a comparison. And then I'm actually going to also root the wig, and I'm going to use a different technique that I haven't used before. So this is sort of like a 2-in-1 sort. Well, no, it's not a 2-in-1 video. This video is just really about the difference between the wigs that could benefit from rooting and maybe don't necessarily need rooting, and then to see the before and after of like what the difference is. So let me go ahead and talk about her. This is Colmar. She is from Vivica Fox. There is a review up on her. She's in the color P2216, and I really feel like because of the dimension of the different colors within this wig, I don't really feel like rooting is necessary. It does have a realistic feel because it's not just sort of like a flat color. So the wig that we are going to be comparing it to is Motown Tress's Anita, and she's in the color, I think it's golden blonde. Golden blonde. There's a review up on her as well. This is her, and she's a gorgeous wig. I love the actual wig. And I wanted to show you like just the difference between what it looks like with a wig that I don't think needs rooting and one that I do think needs rooting. So let me go ahead and go film the side by side. Then I'll come back with Anita, and then I will show you how to root her. We're going to be using the Batiste Dry Shampoo, okay, in Divine Dark, which is like a dark brown. Okay, so it does have a hint of color. I've never tried this method. I do have videos on how to root a wig in several different ways. Those are in my Wigs 101 and Wig Tip playlist, which will be linked down below. I wanted to try and see if this would work because I think it just would be like sort of an easy way for some people to root. And yeah, let's just try some different techniques. So let me go ahead and do the side by side so you can see what I'm talking about in terms of one that I think the color's done really well and doesn't need rooting necessarily, and then one that I think could benefit from rooting. So let's go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back. Okay, so this is Anita. I really like this wig. It's super cute. I just think it needed a little something just to take it a little bit to the next level. She could probably stand to be toned, but I don't hate the color. I just want to see what it's going to look like with adding the root. So I've not tried this before, so we're doing this together. Alright, so this is just dry shampoo like we use. Oh, I just broke a nail. No, 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 no. I'm just going to shake this up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clip the hair just so I can get a really clean application. So let me go ahead and put this on, and then we will talk about the final results. Yeah. I love how this looks. I think the key though is to make sure that you don't rub it in too much, but it was so easy to do, and I think it just gave it that little something. I don't know for sure. I'll have to look it up if there's other colors or if it's just this one dark. But if you want to do something that's quick and easy and just looks sort of natural, I think this is a great option. Plus it's just dry shampoo, so it will either brush in a little bit or easily wash out. Just make sure, because it is dry shampoo and it will brush in, that you're not like brushing it too much. But also I feel like it's really good for like mistake proof, because if you do too much or, you know, it's not right, you know, do you see how I'm able to brush this in like on my head? You probably shouldn't do it like on your head, because, or, you know, have something there. I mean, easily wipes off, it's just dry shampoo. But I do feel like when you don't sort of brush it in and you just do like a nice real, yeah, there you go, concentration, I think it's perfect. You could also then hairspray over top of it just to set it, but I think this is really cute, and I think it has definitely taken the wig to the next level. So I'm going to go ahead and do a side-by-side of what the wig looked like before the rooting and then after. Yeah, I'm really happy with the results, and I think it definitely took this wig to the next level. So let me know what you think down below. Have you ever tried this technique before? Do you think you would try this technique? Are there other techniques that you prefer more, or, you know, like, what are your thoughts? Like, what are they? Okay. And let me know what you think about the two wigs in terms of needing roots or not needing roots, or your opinion on that. And I can't wait to talk to you about it in the comments. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so and giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you have subscribed, thank you so much. You're my ball baby. You're my doll baby, and I really appreciate you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.